Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are diving explore something timeless and elegant crochet lace pattern. Crochet lace pattern has been admired for generations, used in everything from delight tablecloths and dolls to stylish fashion pieces like shawls and summer tops. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your technique, this video will give you a complete guide. From the history of crochet lace to tips for creating beautiful pattern at home. Did you know crochet lace became popular in 19th century Europe? Originally lace was hand-knitted using needles, but crochet made is faster and more accessible. Crochet lace became famous during the potato famine as women sold lace to support their families. Over time, lace pattern evolved into elegance motifs, fans, shells, and floral designs. Today, crochet lace combines tradition and modern creativity, from heirloom pieces to fashion. Crochet lace is an open work crochet pattern, meaning it has space and hole between stitches that creates delight and airy designs. Unlike regular crochet, which is dense, lace is lightweight and decorative. It's perfect for creating space like shawls and wraps, scarves, table runners, curtains, and summer garments. The charm of lace is an repetition of simple stitches that combine to form interactive design. To create crochet lace, you will need lightweight yarn or cotton thread. Thinner yarn creates more delicate lace. Crochet hooks, usually smaller size like 2 mm or 4 mm. Scissor, yarn needle for finishing. Stitches maker, optional but helpful for counting. Tips: using light colored yarn, it's easier to see stitches and follow pattern. Most laces pattern use only a few basic stitches. Chain stitches create open space, single stitches and horse stitches, double crochet adds height, table runners create taller loops and dramatic lace, shells, fan stitches, decorative cluster of stitches. Even with just these stitches, you can create endless design by combining themes in creative ways. Lace is not just one style. There are different type of you can try. Flight lace, geometric pattern made with open and filled squares. Pineapple laces, classic fan-shaped motifs often used in shawls. Modern laces, contemporary design with new texture and creative combination. Each type has its own charm and complexity. So start simple and creativity time. Crochet lace is delight, versatile and timeless. With just a few basic stitches, carefully counting and some patience, you can create stunning handmade pieces that look professional and elegant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy your crochet journey. I hope you guys enjoy this video and we will be right back. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video ideas and modern designs. See you soon guys in the next video. Take care, guys, and hopefully.